Hi friends, this is me again, and I've got another unboxing video. So I got this tablet from Amazon, and I'm just going to unbox it. So let's see what we got here. If it is one of the tablets available on Amazon, it's called Tianyida. So it's black in color, and for some reason it shows white, but what I purchased from Amazon, black in color. So let's just open it. So if I just talk about some specs of this tablet, it's a phablet, so it gives you functionality of mobile as well. It's a dual SIM 10-inch phablet. As I said, it's 10 inches. It has 2 gigs processor speed, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB hard drive, and it has front and rear cameras. We got a USB cable, another one, and headphone. And there's a user manual. As I said, it's a dual SIM phablet, so we can have 2 SIM together, and plus a micro SD slot. So as you can see here, so the tablet look fabulous. Let's just open it. Let's just start it. It's a brand name called Tianyida, and it has Android 6 version, which is a bit old version, but I think with this price it's good. So it's just starting. Okay, now I have connected the Wi-Fi to the tablet. I'm quickly going to show you the sound quality and some of the feature. Let's just quickly go to YouTube and see how it works. So I just increased some sound. I think the sound quality is good, and sound is loud as well. So this is it. Stay tuned for my other review videos. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.